understanding the human mind in interpersonal relationships. The capacity to comprehend the thoughts and feelings of others is a vital aspect of human interaction, encompassing empathy, emotional intelligence, and effective communication. This skill transcends mere mind reading. It's about discerning and interpreting verbal cues, body language, and emotional signals in their respective contexts. This nuanced art enhances our connections in both personal and professional spheres, paving the way for trust, productive teamwork, and the resolution of conflicts. Embarking on this journey of understanding others demands not only sharp observation and intuition but also a strong ethical compass. It involves honoring the privacy and dignity of those we engage with. This pursuit sheds light on the intricacies of human relationships, highlighting the delicate balance between empathetic connection and respecting personal boundaries. It is an exploration into the core of what binds us as humans. While literal mind reading, akin to telepathy, remains unproven and beyond our current scientific capabilities, there are psychological methods and observational techniques that can significantly enhance our understanding of others. 1. Body language. Insight into a person's thoughts and emotions can often be gleaned from their body language, which includes facial expressions, gestures, posture, and eye movements. Observe non-verbal cues in various contexts. For example, crossed arms might suggest defensiveness, while consistent eye contact could indicate engagement or confidence. A genuine smile, involving the eyes and mouth, often reflects true happiness. 2. Tone of voice. The nuances in someone's voice, its pitch, speed, and loudness can reveal their emotional state. Listen for variations in these aspects to understand underlying emotions. A higher pitch might signal excitement or anxiety. Slow speech could indicate careful deliberation, and a sudden increase in volume often points to strong emotions like excitement or anger. 3. Active listening. Fully engaging in what someone is saying, and how they say it, offers clues about their mindset and emotions. Show genuine interest in conversations through nods, verbal acknowledgments, and maintaining eye contact. Reflecting and clarifying their points demonstrates your effort to understand their perspective. 4. Empathy. Putting yourself in another's shoes can provide deeper insight into their experiences and emotions. Express understanding of their feelings, offer support, and share similar experiences when appropriate, ensuring the focus remains on them. 5. Asking questions. Engaging with open-ended questions encourages people to open up about their thoughts and feelings. Use exploratory and follow-up questions to delve deeper into their experiences, and encourage them to elaborate on interesting points. 6. Psychological knowledge. A basic understanding of psychological principles can aid in interpreting people's actions and words. Recognize behaviors like projection, defense mechanisms, and stress responses to better understand and empathize with others. Grasping the thoughts and emotions of others in our everyday interactions holds immense significance for a multitude of reasons. 1. Improved communication. Understanding what others think or feel can lead to more impactful and meaningful exchanges. It allows for messages to be tailored in a way that resonates better, thereby reducing misunderstandings and conflicts. 2. Stronger relationships. Gaining insight into the minds of others nurtures empathy and compassion. This understanding deepens trust and strengthens connections in all types of relationships, from personal to professional. 3. Effective conflict resolution. Discerning the real thoughts and emotions underlying conflicts enables more successful resolution strategies. By comprehending each party's viewpoint, you can address the fundamental causes of disagreements, rather than just the surface issues. 4. Growth in personal and professional life. Seeing the world from others' perspectives can expand your own, encouraging self-reflection. In professional environments, this skill is essential for leadership, teamwork, negotiation, and customer engagement as it helps manage diverse opinions and needs effectively. 5. Emotional intelligence. Understanding the minds of others is a crucial aspect of emotional intelligence, which is often linked to success in various areas of life. This skill encompasses not only recognizing others' emotions, but also effectively managing your own, a key ability in both personal and professional contexts. 6. Empathy in social settings. Being sensitive to others' thoughts and feelings in social situations can guide your actions and responses, ensuring they are considerate and appropriate. This enhances social harmony and inclusivity. 7. Informed decision-making. Comprehending others' viewpoints, needs, and desires can lead to more thoughtful and effective decision-making, particularly in roles that affect others, such as leadership, parenting, or teaching. 8. Effective support and assistance. Identifying when others are in distress or in need allows you to provide timely and suitable support, advice, or intervention, which is crucial in both personal and professional relationships. 9. Anticipating behavior. The ability to read minds, in a figurative sense, aids in predicting how others might react or behave in certain scenarios. A skill invaluable in various settings, from personal planning to business strategy. 10. Cultural awareness. Understanding the mindset of individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds promotes tolerance, respect, and effective cross-cultural interactions. However, it's important to practice these techniques with sensitivity and care. They are not meant for manipulation or intruding into the private lives of others, but rather for fostering understanding and respect in our interactions. For a comprehensive overview, listen to the following story. In the quaint town of Harmony, a place renowned for its close-knit community and vibrant interpersonal relationships, lived Emma, a young professional known for her exceptional ability to understand and connect with others. Emma's journey in mastering this skill was much like navigating the streets of Harmony itself, filled with enlightening encounters, unexpected turns, and valuable lessons. Emma's days often involved keenly observing and engaging with her neighbors and colleagues, offering a listening ear and empathetic responses. Her ability to read nonverbal cues, understand varying tones of voice, and actively engage in conversations made her an adored figure. People felt seen and heard around Emma, and her insights often helped resolve small-town disputes, deepening the bonds within the community. This, in many ways, was the bright side of Emma's gift, enhancing communication, building stronger relationships, and fostering a sense of unity. But Emma's journey wasn't without its challenges. There were days when she found herself overwhelmed by the weight of others' emotions, a consequence of being deeply attuned to those around her. The sheer volume of understanding others' minds sometimes led to an emotional overload, leaving her drained and in need of solitude. Moreover, Emma occasionally found herself on precarious ground. There were moments when her well-intentioned efforts to understand others treaded close to the line of invading privacy. She learned, sometimes the hard way, that the line between empathy and intrusion was delicate and required careful navigation. In a particularly eye-opening incident, Emma misinterpreted a friend's body language and tone, leading to a misunderstanding that briefly strained their friendship. This served as a poignant reminder of the inherent risks of misinterpretation and the fallibility of even the most well-honed skills in understanding others. Amidst these experiences, Emma also realized the importance of not losing herself in the process of reading others. She learned to balance her incredible skill with a healthy dose of self-reflection and personal boundaries, ensuring she didn't overextend her emotional capacities or rely solely on her ability to understand others at the expense of her own intuition. Emma's story in Harmony is a microcosm of the human experience in understanding the minds of others. It encapsulates the profound impact of empathy and effective communication in fostering harmonious relationships, while also highlighting the challenges and ethical considerations that come with this territory. Her journey teaches us that while the skill of understanding others is invaluable, it must be exercised with a blend of keen insight, emotional self-awareness, and respect for personal boundaries. In summary, mastering the art of understanding others' minds is an invaluable skill that significantly enriches communication, empathy, and the forging of strong relationships. However, it's imperative to exercise this ability with a strong ethical framework, a deep respect for personal privacy, and a keen sense of self-awareness to mitigate any potential negative impacts. Striking a balance between this skill and the respect for individual autonomy, while upholding healthy emotional boundaries, is crucial for its positive and ethical utilization in our everyday lives. This mindful approach ensures that our interactions are not only effective but also compassionate and respectful, aligning with the highest standards of interpersonal conduct. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy this video, please let us know by clicking the like button, do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you can catch up on our next video. Your engagement fuels our journey. Wishing you good health and happiness every day.